This timer is pretty sweet. It can be in a clock mode, which is what it's doing right now, or you can switch it to a timer mode. And it has a few buttons to help you get to your time quickly, 5 minutes, 10 seconds, 10 minutes, 1 minute. Then you can start it. Here's a stop reset button. I also really love that you've got a couple choices for how loud the volume you want. There's a high volume, low volume, and also mute. Mute is handy if you need to travel with your timer and you don't want it accidentally going off in your bag. There's also this handy little foot that you can swing in. There are very strong magnets, so you can magnetize it to your microwave, to a refrigerator, or you can use this foot to sit it on a tabletop. So this little timer is excellent.